guys, welcome back to MADEBYNALE. So today I'm showing you how I made this, and I've got a blue part in here for you guys because not all DIYs go to plan. So you saw me there putting bleach inside a bowl, and then I added the leaves that I picked up from outside. And as you can see, I was doing it multiple times before this video and it wasn't bleaching. So I tried everything from pressing it down to ironing it. I didn't show the ironing process, but I did do that. And as you can see, nothing was lifting. Here's me explaining the vibe. And they just don't work. So you just have to do your own thing. So right now, it's not lifting at all. So I've just left them there, lying on this. I'm just gonna like chill, relax for a bit. Sometimes when things are not going your way, the best thing to do is to find a nice quiet place and sit down. So I'm just gonna like pat this down. So let's do it my way. I first changed the bleach to Domestos, got some fresh leaves and a new jumper because that one was just finished, and I just repeated the process, and I realized the problem was the bleach. Sometimes it's just little things like that that you need to change and things will work. So it all started working. I realized that next time when I do this, I need to change my like dipping method. Maybe I might paint the leaves on, because look what happened. And I was bugging out here. I was like, this is a disaster. Then I remembered that one guy was saying everything to do with layering. So then I got some fabric paint and I just started layering white fabric paint over it, and it just transformed everything. I also went back in with the bleach and I did the same process, and I actually loved the way it turned out. It wasn't like the perfect leaf combo, but I'm gonna do this again perfectly. I mean, you can't do anything perfectly, but I'm gonna give it a second shot using a different technique. But I love how this came out, and I'm just gonna cut that bottom bit because that's also a disaster. But you know what, guys, for my first time, I am so proud of this and I'm so happy with it, and I cannot wait to do this DIY again. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.